Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a glittery paper snowflake since it's getting into the winter seasons. So, before we get started, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so first you just need a plain white piece of paper and you are going to cut it into a circle. I'm going to fold mine in half and do a half circle. Okay, so when you're done with that, you're going to fold it into fourths and then cut out any excess paper here just so it's extra even. And then you can fold it again, like piece of pizza, okay? Then you can cut around the edges whichever design you like. So now after you've cut around the edges and you've done whichever design you want, you're going to unfold what you made. So it kind of broke in half, but if that happens, it's okay because you can just tape it back. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I started putting the glitter on and I taped it together just on every part where it was apart, and then I put it in the middle. So now I'm going to finish putting the little bit of glitter on. So now I'm going to spread it out. forget to try this snowflake at home. But before you leave, don't forget to like or subscribe and have a great day. Bye!